Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix mic is not working on Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, me press on the little headphones icon on the top, and then if I go back here, go to party, then turn on here, as you can see, then press on the green, and then make sure that your microphone is not muted here. If for some reason you cannot unmute your microphone, as you can see here, on default it will be muted and you cannot talk, so unmute it, and now the icon is moving. And if for some reason you cannot unmute the microphone, what you need to do here, I'm using iPhone. For Android it may be different a little bit, but you just need to go to settings, then you need to find a Warzone app or Warzone game, and then make sure the microphone is turned on here, and then you can turn off and turn on microphone on Warzone. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.